Okay, so if you don't want to just read the directions for requirement for the table 1, I'll do table 1 with you, and then you'll do table 2 based on what you learn, and then you will do the project, which is creating an ad for the final for this week. So you would go to File, Blank Document. We're going to go ahead and move it over here so you can see both things. We're going to put in a header. So to do that, it says here you will go to Insert and then a header. Click Yes. And then we're going to name it Microsoft Word Table Project. Then we can put it in 30 font. So you can go to font, change it to 30. And you can use any font that you want. So I will just go ahead and, I don't know, I'll use this one for now. And just because I'm anal, I'm going to center it. All right, once it is all done, if you click on header and footer, you click close header and footer, you are going to put both of these on the same document. Even though I have them on 2 different days, you turn them in as one file. So both of these tables will go into this document. So it says you're going to create a 5x5 table. So we're going to go to Insert Tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 5x5 table. You're going to change the row height and column width to 0.75. If you go to Table Layout, up here, it'll say Table Design, Table Layout. And we're going to, first of all, we have to select it, okay? And then we're going to do the height at 0.75 and the width to 0.75. So now you have a square pretty much. So now you were going to make, and you're going to make colors. So I'm going to take this whole, I'm just clicking and dragging. I'm going to go to Table Design. I'm going to go to Shading and make it green. We'll do the same thing for this one. Right, and then we're going to make it a different color. It cannot be black and white. So we're going to remove the border of this. See how there's no lines in between. There are lines here, but there are no lines there. So what you need to do is you need to select these. You need to go to Table Design, Borders, No Borders. So now it will look along the same thing. And then we are going to put a 2 1/4 black border around the outside. So we're going to select the table. We're going to put a solid line. We're going to make it 2 1/4. And then we're going to, with it selected, say outside border. So now you can see that I've got a solid line, 2¼ I did outside border, and now the outside is done. And that is what you have to do for the first one. Then you can just hit enter. Oops, not there. Okay, we're going to undo. Hold on. Going to click down here. We're going to hit enter, and then you will start the Pac-Man grid below. It's basically going to be along the same lines. You've got to add some background color, etc. But the basics of it is that if you are in table design and table layout, that is where you are going to make all of your edits when you are in a table. If you have any questions, let me know. When you're done, you turn in both of these on one document in Schoology Week 5.